Advanced Engineering, your full provider for the PCB factory of tomorrow. Let's dive in and see how it all comes together in a real-world setting. Magazines are docked manually via trolley or with AGVs for a fully automated flow. Fast, precise, and reliable, the MOJO 303 loader places panels onto the conveyor with ease and a wide range of configurable features. Advanced Engineering CBC combines buffering and centering in one smart unit, keeping panels moving efficiently and aligned from the start. The CSD acts as an overflow or hold time buffer, adapting instantly with unmatched speed and precision, setting the benchmark for modern buffering. Directing PCBs exactly where they're needed, the MUX ensures flexible line management, seamless routing, and maximum uptime. And for easy access and quick maintenance, the OTC adds an optional tilt function to the line. As the fastest inline external desktop automation system, Advanced Engineering's EDTA 652 automates process machines like AOIs, LDIs, or inkjet printing systems, ensuring maximum throughput with minimal downtime. With the COD, panels rotate seamlessly while maintaining their leading edge, ensuring perfect downstream orientation without slowing production. The PMA 201 combines a revolutionary peeling method with an integrated center and buffer unit, setting new standards for efficiency and reliability. MOJO 251 integrates loading, unloading, buffering, and knock handling in one compact unit, delivering top performance in a minimal footprint. As part of Advanced Engineering's flexible Pro portfolio, the Pro 301 Unloader allows modular magazine slot placement around the conveyor, making the best use of production space. And to top it all off, Advanced Engineering's in-house SCADA system, COMMANDRA, controls the entire line from a single intuitive interface. Recipes load at the push of a button, and real-time analytics turns data into actionable insights for total transparency and control. The PCB factory of tomorrow, brought to life today.